What does ECU stand for? I'm going to answer that question for you today. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. ECU can stand for essentially two things: engine control unit or electronic control unit. Either way, it basically means a computer. If it's engine control unit, it means the computer controlling the engine, the fuel injection, and that kind of stuff. If it's electronic control unit, it could be any one of the computers on the car. For example, I just had a car in the other day. I scanned all the computers on it. It had 22 computers on board. You have computers that can control the transmission, the engine, the power windows, the air conditioning, the anti-lock brakes, the list goes on and on. So quite simply, when you hear that term ECU, it basically means it's a computer. So I hope this has been informational for you. And until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.